Ready. Nice.
Nice throw, Viv.
Ready? Ready? Uh-oh.
Uncle Todd got it. Does she aim before she throws?
Yep.
Whoa. Good job, Viv. Ready, she says. Ready? Oh. Say, I got it.
Very good.
She
See how
is
perfect that was?
good. Yay, Vivi.
Ready?
Go. Catch it. Tell Uncle Todd, ready?
Now try another fastball. Oh, don't get too close.
Oh, gosh.
Hold on, back up a little. Whoa.
Dang, she's got a good arm. Yay, Vivi, good job.
Back up a little.
She's going to be a softball pitcher.
Go like that.
Ready?
I don't want you to get too close to the edge.
I know. Good job. Yay, Vivi.
Ready? Whoa. Almost at it. Off to the side.
I bounced on her.
Yeah. Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Where is it? Wow. Perfect.
Good throw, Vivi. Yay, Vivi. Throw it to Uncle Todd. That was a big, over-dramatic fall.
Oh.
Oh, man. She threw that laying down.
She's going to be a pitcher.
She is going to be a pitcher. That was awesome.
Here we go.
She's got a very straight arm for not even two. Oh, that one, I bragged.
To you.
Whoa, that one was way off, Vivi, but 1 out of 10 ain't bad.
You want to throw it to her?
Caitlin's going to take a try.
Oh, I think she's done.
Oh, maybe so. Safe, all done.
Are you done?
No.
Keep playing.